Hi, it's Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to be harvesting some of our artichokes, so we're going to show you what you're going to look for. You see these buds here, the bracts are starting to open up and expand. These artichokes are ready to harvest. The buds you see in the video are overripe, but we can still use them and they're still good to eat. When harvesting, you want to cut it off at a leaf, leaving an opportunity to stem off a new bud. So I'm going to cut this one a little lower, leaving that leaf right there. You want to pick them a little before they open up that much. Each stalk could grow up to 4 buds on one stalk. The middle stalk is going to grow the largest artichoke. Artichoke plants can grow up to 4 to 5 feet tall. With that being said, they have a tendency to be blown over by the wind or just fall over by the pure weight of the plant. A remedy for that is taking a PVC pipe stake and a 1/2 inch PVC pipe and hoisting it up with 2 or more stakes, holding it in the upward position. Now I'm going to show you our low-tunnel design that we used for these artichokes when they were first getting started. Today we're going to be showing you how to build this PVC low-tunnel design to cover our artichokes. The items you need to build this design is 5 sections of the 1/2 inch PVC pipe cut to 8 feet long for the hoops. Then you're going to need 4 sections of 1/2 inch PVC pipe cut to 16 inches long. You're going to need 3 slip crosses and 2 slip tees. And you're also going to need 10 of the pipe stakes. Alright, so when we get to these ends here, we're going to be using the slip tee item. You just slide it over the top, stop it at the ridge, and that's where you're going to plug in your piece to separate them. Then when you get to these last 3 hoops, you're going to be using the slip cross. Same design as the slip tee, don't have to cut anything, just slide it right on. We're going to be using the snap clamps, item number 11. These just snap on, keep it all nice and taut, and the wind doesn't blow it around. Alright, now you would just trim off your excess netting. You would finish up with a couple snap clamps, and you're all set. Easy to water, no problem. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like to buy any of our items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.